Private label propelled Kroger to a strong third quarter. Reynolds is asking the country's highest court to stop a flavored tobacco sales ban, and Dollar General unveiled ambitious growth plans. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top headlines from CSP Daily News and Winsight Grocery Business. I'm Heather Lally, Editor-in-Chief of WGB.
And I'm CSP Editor-in-Chief Steve Holtz. As Kroger awaits federal approval of its proposed $24.6 billion acquisition of Albertsons, the retailer raised its full-year financial forecast Thursday after reporting strong third-quarter earnings thanks to growth in private label sales and digital orders. For the quarter ending November 5, the Cincinnati-based grocery giant reported same-store sales growth minus fuel rose 6.9%. Same-store sales of Kroger's Our Brands private label line jumped 10.4%, and the company's digital sales channel grew 10%.
Reynolds Tobacco Company and other interested parties are asking the U.S. Supreme Court to issue an emergency order to stop California from implementing a sales ban on most flavored tobacco products. The earliest the ban could take effect is December 21st. California voters supported the ban in the November 8th midterm election. However, Reynolds and others challenged the ban in a lawsuit. When that lawsuit seeking to stop the ban was rejected by two courts, the plaintiffs took to the Supreme Court on November 29.
Dollar General stock was down more than 8% Thursday afternoon after the discounter reported that supply chain challenges during the third quarter ate into its margins. Nevertheless, Dollar General revealed ambitious growth plans with a roadmap to open more than 1,000 new stores next year.
Food City will break ground on Friday for its second Alabama location, the Virginia-based grocer told WGB Wednesday. The new state-of-the-art supermarket will be located in Gadsden, Alabama. The 53,700 square foot supermarket is expected to open late summer.
In a move that will put two popular regional C-store retailers in competition for the first time, both Sheetz and Come & Go are headed to the Detroit market. Mid-Atlantic convenience store chain Sheetz announced this week it will expand into Michigan with a first location projected to open in 2025 in the Detroit market. And earlier this month, we learned Midwest C-store chain Come & Go will be there waiting, expanding into Michigan with a set of Detroit area C-stores expected to open in 2024. Come & Go has plans for more than 50 locations in the market over the next several years.
Health and convenience are leading consumers to buy more plant-based foods, according to new research from Kroger-owned data firm 8451 and the Plant-Based Foods Institute. Consumers surveyed have decreased their overall animal-based product group spend, the report found.
Alcohol delivery company Drizzly reports that ready-to-drink cocktails ruled Thanksgiving celebrations this year. The company's holiday weekend trends report shows which beverages adults use to wash down their turkey and how they compared to last year. Results show RTD cocktail sales grew nearly 40%. Sales of non-alcohol wine jumped 39%, non-alcohol beer 20%, and non-alcohol spirits 100%. The report also found 63% of retailers expect to carry more canned and bottled margaritas, mules, and Manhattans next year.
Wegmans supermarkets are considered assets to the communities in which they operate. The fanfare surrounding the retailer's new store openings will attest to that. This week, the Rochester, New York-based chain gave a behind-the-scenes peek at what goes into each store launch and reported new locations on tap for the next year.
Software provider Diebold Nixdorf has appointed Lisa Radigan as Executive Vice President and Chief People Officer of the company. Radigan, who joined the company in 2014, will lead the company's global employee-focused initiatives, promoting a strong workforce of engaged employees and driving effective processes that support and equip employees worldwide.
Pennsylvania-based The Giant Company will open its first grocery store in Benner Township on December 16th, expanding its home state footprint. The new 50,000 square foot store will be located in Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, the company announced Thursday. The new store will add more than 100 full and part-time jobs to the community.
Which movie theater candy dominates your state? Movie theater company Cinemark collected data from 2022 concessions to find out which candy had the most sales in each state. The favorite amongst the most states, 13, was peanut M&Ms. Two runner-ups include cookie dough bites and red vines.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News or winsightgrocerybusiness.com. I'm Heather Lally.
And I'm Steve Holtz. Have a great day.